Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something about how you can start making up to $200 to $1,000 and above monthly by simply uploading books on Amazon. One beautiful thing you should know about this business is that you don't need a writing skill to make money from this business. You don't even need any writing experience. Even if you don't know how to write, you can do this business and make money for yourself. So I'm going to be sharing with you what you need to know before you start publishing on Amazon. All right. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I'm so excited to have you and I want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto and I teach people how to do stuff online. I teach you how to do things that can help you to make money for yourself. So if this is your first time, kindly do me a favor by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell. All right. So if you've done that, I want to say welcome and thank you for doing that. If this is your second time of coming to this channel, I'm also very excited to have you back on my channel. I believe you're getting value. That's why you're here. Thank you so much for sticking around and following me up to this time. All right. So having said that, I'll take you into the video and talk more about how you can start making up to $200 to $1,000 monthly from uploading books on Amazon. Okay. So the good news about this business is that you can do it with your smartphone even if you don't have a laptop. I publish books on Amazon with my smartphone. As you can see, I'm doing this video from my smartphone. So most of what I do on Amazon is done from my smartphone. You can also do this from the comfort of your bedroom or from any part of the world. What that means is that even if you're traveling, even if you are not in your house currently, you can be in a bus publishing a book. You can be in the toilet publishing a book. You can be in church publishing a book. You can be in the market, as long as you are comfortable where you are and you can create. You can publish from anywhere in the world. Another thing is that you can receive payment in your local currency. That's the beautiful thing. Even if you're in Japan, even if you're in Uganda, even if you're in Nigerian, even if you are from Niger, you are from Brazil, and you're watching this right now, or Pakistan or India, you can do this and receive your money in your local currency. That's the beautiful thing about publishing on Amazon. In fact, you don't need any skill. You don't need any experience to make money with this skill. All right. So if you're thinking that you don't have an experience before, this is a business that you can still do without experience. All you need to do is to learn how it works. All right. Now, in case you don't know, this business model I'm trying to talk about is what people fondly call Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP. Okay, I'm going to explain what that means. In this business, you upload different types of books, like low content books, like coloring books, like summaries and etc. Just like that. And once you do that, you will begin to make money. Okay, you begin to make money. A lot of people are making money from this system. All right. Now, before I show you how this business works, let me show you what some of my students and some of our students are doing with Amazon KDP skill. Okay, let me show you. You can see this. Somebody just made, what's this? That's $52.96. Can you see? Calculate that in your currency and you know what that is worth. Okay, now let me show you another one. See another one. This person made what? $273.11. All right, you can see 71 orders. All right, so the person says waiting we go do if we no thank God. Now you can see a lot of people are making money from this system. Now look at another one. This one is $605. All right, people are making money from this system. All you need to do is to plug in. You don't need any prior experience. If you didn't even go to school, as long as you have a smartphone, all right, even if you're a nursing mother, as long as you have a smartphone watching this, you can do this on your own. You can do this from the comfort of your home. All right. Now, this is another person. You can see this is another person. What did she make? She made $134. All right. People are making money from this system. Like I said before, all you need to do is to understand how it works, plug into it, and start doing it and making money for yourself. All right. So let's continue. Now, what exactly is Amazon KDP? Amazon KDP is a short form of Amazon Kindle Publishing. What that means is that you can publish books on Amazon. There is an arm or a branch of Amazon. Amazon is an e-commerce website where people purchase things online. All right, it can be shipped to them irrespective of the country where you belong. But there is a branch of Amazon that deals with publishing. Okay, so you publish your book, and then somebody who wants your book can download it and watch, download it and read. They can read it online, they can pay for it online and read it online, or they can even buy the printed version of your book. All right. So, and once they make a purchase of that book, what Amazon does is that they ship that your book to the person who has made an order, and then you get paid. Amazon takes a cut from it. Are you seeing how the business works? So this is an opportunity that is making a lot of people rich. Okay, so on Amazon KDP, you can publish low content books. Like I've talked about, you can publish no content book. When we say low content books, I'm saying you don't need to write. All right, you can put books, you can create books that has to do with pictures. You can create books that are just drawing books. When you hear no content books, what we're talking about is blank pages. All right, blank pages that people can print and then they can use it to draw. You can create coloring books where children can buy it and use it as a fun activity. You can create puzzle books, you can create workbooks, you can create sketchbooks. Like currently I have a sketchbook online, I have a coloring book online, and I have a blank page, which is a drawing book. Okay, so you can publish different kinds of books. You can even publish recipes. Okay, remember I told you earlier that you don't need to be a writer to make money from this system. All you need to do is to understand how it works. All right, I believe you are getting value from this. If you're getting value from this, kindly hit the like button right now. Hit it right now and subscribe to this video. Okay, now here are some of the interesting facts that you need to know about this KDP business. Now, the first thing is that you can publish as many books as you want, and it is for free. Do you understand? Publishing on the platform is for free. So you can publish, if you want to publish 2,000 books, you can publish 2,000 books. In fact, the interesting thing about this business is that the more books you publish, the more likely you are going to be making more money. Do you understand? So if you're thinking of creating one book, forget about it. You can't do this business. You need to be creating more books to succeed in this business. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So the more books you create, the more possibilities for you to succeed and make more money in this business. That's number one. Number two interesting fact is that you can decide how much you want to charge, how much you want to sell your book. You can sell your book for $5, you can sell your book for $10, you can sell your book for $15, you can sell your book for $20, you can sell your book for $50. It just depends on how powerful your book is, the content of your book. All right, it depends on the content of your book, how good your book is. It depends on other factors too. But what I'm saying here is you can sell your book, you can set the price for your book, all right, and sell a lot of it. Now, the third one is that you can have international accounts that helps you receive money in dollars. All right, there's an account that you can create international to receive international money, and then you move the money. When you're about to receive payment, you move it to your local account. All right, if you eventually invest into this, you're going to be learning how to create your international account irrespective of the country where you belong. Now, number 4 interesting fact is that you can receive money into your local bank account. All right, this is a beautiful thing. I've enjoyed this before and I understand how it works. Very easy, very sweet. Imagine you making dollars and shifting dollars into your account. Imagine that. Now, if you're living in Nigeria and you're watching this video right now, you know what the currency is all about. I don't know about any other economies of the world, but if you're living in Nigeria, you know what the dollar is to the naira. And you know that if you're making money in dollars, this is a very beautiful opportunity for you to do this business. Okay? So, number 5 is that you can do this with your smartphone. I've said this before. I've said it, and I keep saying it. That you can create books with your smartphone and receive money with your smartphone. Okay, so these are the 5 interesting facts. There are other interesting facts, but I just want to talk about these 5. Okay, so how does it work? What you do is that you have to create books. Okay, first of all, you need to understand what area do you want to talk about. What kind of books do you want to create? Okay, what kind of books do you want to create? Then you go ahead to create the books and then you publish it. Very, 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 very easy. If you're not experiencing this, you need to invest into learning this skill. All right, because if you go ahead after watching this video and you want to start creating, you might end up frustrated, and at the end of the day you get tired and you are out. Do you understand? So you need to learn how it works, and then you can start creating and publishing your book. And let's say, for instance, you publish your book for $5 and you sell to 100 persons. How much is that? That will be $500 for you. Okay, $500 for you. Now, if you're living in Nigeria or whatever country you're living in, calculate $500 to your currency and tell me what it is in the comment section. Are you getting that? So you can see that you can make a lot of money from this business. Remember, I told you that Amazon takes some percentage. Okay, so plus or minus, you'll be making some good money from this system. All right, so if you follow the formula that I'm going to show you at the end of this video, that's why you need to stick to the end of this video. If you follow the formula that I'm going to show you, all right, you can create 1 book per day. Right, you can create 1 book per day, and if you are very hardworking, you can create 30 books in 30 days. You can create 30 books in 30 days. Now, supposing that you create 1 book and you price it for $5. Now, imagine that 100 people are buying your books. Right, that'll be $500. Remember, we've talked about that. Now, if you now create 5 books and each of those 5 books are bought by 100 persons at the rate of $5, calculate that. Let me repeat that again. If one of your book costs $5 and you're selling 5 books, all right, you're selling each of those 5 books, like book 1, you sell it to 100 persons. Book 2, you sell it to 100 persons. Book 3, you sell it to 100 persons. Book 4, book 5, you sell it to 100 persons at the rate of $5. Imagine how much you'll be making. Can you see the possibility and the reason why I said you need to publish more books to make more money? All right, so do the mathematics and write it down in the comment section. Let me know how much that is going to be in your currency. All right, now, even if you're the laziest person in the world, okay, even if you're the laziest person and you cannot publish up to 30 books, and let's say at the end of 1 month you just publish 15 books in 30 days, you can still be making money from this system. I can bet you on that. All right, all you need to do is to understand how it works. Let's say you're a 9-to-5 person, you do a salary job, all right, and then you don't really have much time, and let's say you are just able to create 15 books. You're still going to be making money if you do it correctly. All right, that's why you should invest into this business. Now, having said all of these things, I'm inviting you, All right, if you want to learn more about how this works, I'm inviting you to join our Amazon KDP community, where you'll be taught every secret you need to know about how you can start making money from this system. Listen, if you try to do this on your own, or let's say after you finish watching this video now, you now go to YouTube and start watching different kind of videos, fine, you're going to get some ideas of how to do it. But at the end of the day, you are going to get overloaded with too many good information, and you may not even know what next to do. That is why it is very important and highly recommended that you are mentored in a community. Are you getting what I'm saying now? That's why I'm inviting you to join my my Amazon KDP community. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So if you want to join that community, all you need to do, it costs a fee. Okay, it costs a fee. So all you need to do is to click on this link that you see. This link, all right? Click on this link that you see. Now, before I leave you, before I end this video, look at some of the things you're going to be learning. You're going to learn how to research the niches for publishing on Amazon. You can't just go ahead and start publishing anything. You need to understand what category, what kinds of book do you want to be publishing. You need to understand that. And before you understand that, you need to know how to find out what exactly sells. That is one of the things you're going to be learning when you invest into our community. Another thing you're going to be learning is how to create and publish low content books on Amazon, even if you're not a writer. Listen, I've said it and I keep saying it. You don't need to be a writer. You can be publishing blank pages and making a lot of money for yourself, but you need to understand how it works. That's why you need to join the community. Now, the next thing you're going to learn is how you can open a US bank account to receive international payments. The beauty of this is that when you have an international account, even if you're not doing Amazon, right, you can receive money for other, transactions using your international accounts. That's what you're going to learn. Another thing you're going to be learning is how to write descriptions for your book to help you rank higher. You need to rank in the first or second page if you want to sell. All right. Many people publish a lot of books and they don't still sell. Why? Because your description, your book title, your book covers, these are some of the things that you need to understand. So we are going to be teaching you how that works. Another thing is you're going to learn how to receive your money in your local bank account and many other things. Plus the fact that you will be in the community where you can ask any kind of questions as regards publishing on Amazon. Okay, so if you are very interested and you're serious about this, no jokes, all you need to do is to click on this link that you see. Just click on this link and it will take you to my WhatsApp. It will take you to my WhatsApp, and then I'm going to direct you on the next few steps to take. All right, if you're ready, remember I told you it will cost a fee. This is not a joke. This is not for jokers. It will cost a fee to belong or to become a member of the community where you learn how to publish your books on Amazon. All right, so this is all I'm going to be talking about. This is where I'm going to stop. If you got value from this video, kindly do me a favor, like this video, drop a comment if you have questions for me, and please don't forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe, it shows that you support what I am doing on this channel. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And if you want to join my community, my mentorship community, all you need to do is to go to the link in the description. I have a link there. I'm going to put everything in the description. All right, so I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.